Hey folks, let's check out what we did to get rear shocks on the back of this vintage modified. Oh, hey folks, welcome back to KEI Fabrication. Got some cardboard aided design going on. So way back when I cut this, designed these brackets and cut them out, if I were to use this on a brand new axle tube that didn't have an axle end on it, it would have been fine. But I had to cut the back of this bracket off and slip it on, which left a gap here. And my little cardboard aided design shock bracket reaches in and fills that gap quite nicely. Oops, upside down. So I put the structure back in for the bracket and then piggybacked off the back of the main 4-link bracket in order to get some strength for the compression and extension of the shock bracket. Alright folks, that's going to be it for this one. If you're still with me, obviously you like this sort of thing. Thank you so much for following along with the rebuilding and restoration of the old number 7, otherwise known as the B&J Special. Thanks for watching. Follow along. There's more good stuff to come. Subscribe, like, please comment below. I'm always encouraged and interested in hearing what your thoughts are and interacting with you. Thanks again. Hit that like button for me, would you please?